guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you're watching me. If you're new here, welcome. If you have been here before, welcome back. My name is Lilia. In this channel we talk about how to take care of our natural hair using natural ingredients. I'll show you how to make these natural ingredients and how to apply them on our hair. So far I have done several videos on aloe vera. I did a video on aloe vera oil, aloe vera gel, and today I want to show you how to make an aloe vera shampoo for you to have a complete cycle of aloe vera. You can use aloe vera as a shampoo, you can use it as an oil, you can use it as a conditioner, you can use it as a deep conditioner, a treatment, and all that is in my previous video. So if you have not watched my previous videos, go to my channel and watch. Thank you for those who have continued to subscribe and to watch my videos. I appreciate. You're new here for the first time, kindly watch the video, subscribe, share with friends. Let us learn more about natural hair and enjoy our journey with natural hair. So today I've said I'm going to teach you how to make aloe vera shampoo, and all we need is an aloe vera leaf. I'll use a little piece. We also need, I will use black soap. This black soap from Dudu Osan. It is made out of natural ingredients. Whenever I'm buying these products, I'm very careful with the ingredients because we are going all natural, so we need natural products and natural ingredients. So if I read for you, you can get it in cosmetics. If you live in Kenya, we have a shop called Best Lady. This is where I get my hair products, and you can get this soap and many things that I'll talk about. So when I can read for you the ingredients, they are all natural. We have cocoa pond ash, we have palm bunch ash, we have shea butter, we have honey, we have olive, aloe vera, we have canola powder, we have lime juice, and we have water. So the ingredients are all natural, and that is what we shall use to make the aloe vera shampoo. We need that. We need the aloe vera leaf. We need oils so that the hair will still remain shiny and soft. These are a combination of 6 oils. There is coconut oil, there is tea leaf oil, there is tea oil, there is castor oil, avocado oil, olive oil, and the other one is what do we call it? Eucalyptus oil. A combination of 6 oils. So I use it on my hair. We shall use it to make the shampoo. We also need natural honey. Remember, natural honey has so many powerful components that help the hair. I'll talk about it. So I'll go direct to making the shampoo. We start by cutting the soap. I'll use a small piece of it. I'll use a small piece. I'll cut the piece that I need. It's hard. The soap is hard. So this black soap is also good for our skin. You can use it to wash your face. I'll talk about it as I continue. We just need that amount, the amount that we need. I will reduce it to very small pieces so that it will dissolve fast in water. Use warm water. It will dissolve faster when you use warm water rather than using cold water. I'll put it in this container Hope you can see inside the container. Like that. Then I'll add warm water, 1 cup of warm water. It's my hair wash day, so I'm making this shampoo so that I can wash my hair. You can also do the same. This warm water, it will help the soap to dissolve faster. That is 1 cup. So I'll put it aside and give it time to dissolve. That is our mixture. Hope the camera can view inside the container. That is our black soap, or black soap combined with water. Then I'll go now to the aloe vera leaf. These are main ingredient. Aloe vera leaf. I'll remove the top part of it a little bit and the bottom part of it. So today we need the cover, the ingredients that are in the cover that are necessary for our hair. We always start with removing the sharp edge, like that. As we wait for our soap to dissolve. Then cut it into very small pieces. We are going to blend it. So today we are not going to remove the gel. We'll use the whole leaf inclusive of the cover. I want to cut it to manageable pieces so that I may put it in the blender and blend it. So we'll blend the aloe vera so that we may get the gel, or we make it in liquid form. I have blended the aloe vera leaf. This is the product. So we shall use a cloth to strain the juice out of it, because we don't want this debris to go in our hair. So I'll use this cloth to get the juice out of it. You strain out the juice. You strain out the juice, the aloe vera juice, like that. This is what remains. This is not the debris. We don't want this to get to our hair. So I'll put it aside. This is our juice, aloe vera juice. I shall add 1 tablespoon of honey. The mixture of our oils so that the shampoo will have oils to moisturize our hair. There are some shampoos that you use and after washing you feel your hair is so dry. So the oils and the honey is to make the hair moisturized, shiny and smooth. So this is a mixture of the 6 oils I've talked about. avocado, tea oil, eucalyptus oil, shea butter, olive oil, all those. So I shall add some drops like that, and I will stir. It's sticky because of the aloe vera leaf. Remember, the gel is always sticky. I believe our black soap has diffused in the water. This is the end product. It has a lot of foam, so I'll add this content to this like that. It's very slimy. And now we are ready with our shampoo, natural shampoo, aloe vera shampoo. You can see the consistency. Has a lot of foam. So I'll transfer it to a bottle and my hair will be ready. The content will be ready to go to my hair. Remember, I said today is my wash day and I love making my own shampoo, because when I make my own shampoo, I know the natural ingredients that I have used. I'll transfer this to a bottle. This bottle, I use it when I'm washing my hair. So this will be enough for my hair and my daughter's hair. It's more than enough. Our shampoo is ready to be used. So when you wash the hair with this shampoo, make sure you condition your hair and also oil your hair. Air dry your hair. Don't use a blow dryer. We are avoiding heat. We're on a 6 months challenge without heat, so that is what I'll use. Maybe in another video I'll do my hair routine. We'll take you to the shower and we wash my hair together. But for today, I wanted to show you how to make aloe vera shampoo. I'll talk about the benefits of using the honey, because our shampoo has honey, and the benefit of the black soap. It's natural, from natural, as I have read for you. It has natural ingredients, and now the aloe vera, the natural leaf. So we have a shampoo that is natural and you can use it on your hair anytime. It is for every type of hair. This shampoo is for every type of hair. So thank you for watching. I hope it will help you. For those who have been asking whether I sell the oils, you have given me an idea. I might think of making the oils and selling them to you people. And thank you very much for your continued support. The text messages that you're sending to inquire more about the natural hair, I appreciate. So if you have any question concerning your natural hair, please ask in the comment section. I'll be glad to answer your question. My hair is still growing. We'll be taking measurements in maybe in 1 month's time, and see how far we are. Here it is, and it is ready to go to be washed. So thank you for watching. Till another video, it's bye bye and thank you.